The United States on Wednesday announced an additional tranche of security assistance to Ukraine worth nearly $3 billion, the largest one-time weapons aid to Kiev that came as the Russia-Ukraine conflict reached the half-year mark.
Department of Defense has decided to provide an additional $2.98 billion in security assistance to Ukraine under the Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative, or USAI. And they include 6 additional National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems, or NASAMS, with additional munitions for those NASAMS, up to 245,000 rounds of 155mm artillery ammunition, up to 65,000 rounds of 120mm mortar ammunition, up to 24 counter-artillery radars. We're also including in this package Puma unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, and support equipment for Scan Eagle UAS systems. We're including Vampire counter unmanned aerial systems, laser-guided rocket systems.
The United States has committed more than $13.5 billion in security assistance to Ukraine since Biden took office.